Good morning, this is Miss Martinez, and I'm going to walk you through how to go through your vocabulary lesson. The first thing is going to ask you how you're feeling today. You can answer or you can skip. And then it's going to bring you into the presentation. The first part of the presentation, you need to listen to this. To be able to listen, you have to push the microphone and push the play button. And then you would think about what the word is, and then you would say out loud, teaspoonful. Even if you're at home by yourself, you're going to say it out loud. Then if you go to the next slide, it's asking you to underline the vowels in the words, and you have your pencil size down here. You can make it bigger or smaller. I recommend making it smaller. You could also change it to whatever color you would like. I highly suggest not changing it to white, otherwise I will not be able to see and I will think that you didn't finish this activity. If I change it to red, I can underline the vowels. If it's just one vowel, I can make a dot underneath of it, something so I know that you're underlining your vowels. On the next screen, you're going to tell me what is your stress level. I'm in a good space and can focus. Something is bothering me, but I can still focus. I can't manage my emotions or behaviors right now. And that kind of lets me know how you're doing and if I need to check in with you. The next one is to circle prefixes and suffixes. So you're going to go through, and again, you can pick whatever color you would like and change the size of your pencil, and then go through and circle the prefixes and suffixes. So I would say addict, addict, and then I would circle add. Distract, prefix, dis. Admit, prefix, add. Mislay, prefix, miss. Masked, no prefix or suffix. Misprint, prefix, miss. And I would continue to do that throughout this rest of this lesson. The next one is a spelling activity. You need to listen to the audio. Activity J, you can spell 4 words from the lesson. The first word is admit. And so then as I read you the word, you would start typing here. Number 1, admit. And then you would go to number 2, and so on until you are finished spelling your words. The next activity is a vocabulary activity. I've read this out loud to you, or you can read it to yourself. And then it gives you some examples as well that I can read out loud to you, or you can read to yourself. And finally, it asks you a question. What might distract one of the writers? And you need to begin your sentence with one thing that might distract one of the writers is, and then you would finish your sentence. Then there's another vocabulary word, an example as well. And then again, you would write another sentence about what was Camilla afraid to admit to her mother. Finally, this is a review of the academic vocabulary. You'd have to read the word and then the example, and you'd have to match it. So distract. Distract is if you're taking a math test and a friend starts talking to you, the friend might distract you. So since distract is number 1, I will drag number 1 to that example. And I will do that with the rest as well.